everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from the MB Sticker Company, and look how cute. She put all that cute stuff on there. Gosh, it's just lovely. I love it. So let's see what's inside. This came from Canada, and the packaging is awesome. Oh my goodness. I got lots of fun stuff. All right, so let's see, I saw a thank you, so let's look at that. Thank you so much for your order. I'm going to keep the buy 10 get 10 free going on for the next month, Michelle. So yes, she has a buy 10 get 10, so use her coupon, check it out on her Etsy shop. It's in the header of her Etsy shop, which is the MB Sticker Company, and I'll have it linked below. And if you do use her, please tell her that I sent you, that you were sent by TT.Scraps. I would love it, and so would she, I think. So it's fun to see where your business goes. So let's see, what did I get? I found these cricket or silhouette stickers. I thought those were cute, so I picked up those. Some really cute Santa ones. And I know it's early, but I did the buy 10 get 10, and I wanted to get everything that I thought I might use. So I liked this. I like how it's an assortment. So I got that, and I got duplicate and duplicate, and then this one is the little hedgehog drinking hot cocoa or coffee, kind of Christmassy, I think. No, it doesn't have to be. I thought that was a Christmas tree, but it's a heart. And then here she is. Gosh, I don't know if that's a donut. I think it's a donut. And then here are the same as the, well, maybe not, close to the same as the Santa, but the assortment. Computer, payday, happy mail. Looks like he's kind of grumpy or he's melting. So hot cocoa and planning. And again, I got 2 of those. And here's the assortment of with the turkey. And it's by the pumpkin, sleeping in, cleaning up, happy mail, meal planning or meal computer, and he's holding a pie, so that could be a meal too. And I got 2 of those. And this cute little hedgie doing all sorts of fun Christmas activities. That'll be fun to use. And this one looks like a hedgie with a pumpkin spice latte. He has a pumpkin coffee cup. I got duplicates. Got duplicates of these as well. And it's the hedgie like for fall. All different fall-like things. So cute. Look at that one where she's just standing there. Oh my gosh, in little boots. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then here she is peeking. And a little teacup. And a reminder to water. And here is a ghost with all the fun assortment. And here are some breakfast foods. I thought that was fun. And the scale. I got duplicates of those. And then I think this was one of the kits. I don't remember. Or maybe I just bought the sheets. But isn't that cute? With the little reindeer. He's sleeping. And then here's a Santa one. And this says Christmas treats. Aww. And then here's a spooky, creepy, not really, Halloween one. I love it. And kitty cat, and I got 2 of those. And then this last one I got is otters, and I had not seen otters in anything, and they were so cute, so I thought I'd get it. Relax, take it easy, you got this. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, a little otter. I had not seen otters. And since I purchased these, I've seen them a couple times. So that's weird, but that's how it works usually, isn't it? So these are for friends, and these are for me. Yay me! Well, check her out, MB Sticker Company. Tell her that TT.Scraps sent you, and don't forget to use her code, which is the 10 for 10. And I don't remember what it is, so look it up. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.